Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remote start a Nissan Pathfinder. First, confirm your Pathfinder is equipped with the remote engine start system. Next, make sure all doors are securely closed and locked. A low-key fob battery can prevent the system from working, so check its power level. This ensures a smooth and successful remote start experience every time. To begin, press the lock button on your Nissan Pathfinder's key fob. This action prepares the vehicle for remote starting. Immediately after, within about 5 seconds, press and hold the circular remote start button. Continue holding this button until you see the parking lights flash, indicating the engine has successfully started. You're now ready to go. Once started, your Pathfinder's engine will run for about 10 minutes. If you need more time, you can extend the run cycle by repeating the remote start steps. Simply press lock, then press and hold the remote start button again. Be aware that opening any door or pressing the engine start button inside the vehicle without the key fob present will shut off the engine. Remember, never use remote start in an enclosed space like a garage due to exhaust fumes. Always confirm your Pathfinder is in the park position before attempting to remote start. The vehicle's climate control system will automatically activate based on its last settings, ensuring a comfortable cabin temperature when you get in. Enjoy the convenience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.